important. This sound is a muscular product. It's not a romantic idea. It's a muscular product. So it's nothing more and nothing less than the materialization, the visualization of what we are doing in the body, with the body. If the body is stiff and tense, we will get only a stiff and tense sound. If we are looking for a supple sound, we have to take care that we have suppleness and elasticity in the body. So if we need to make a sort of sound very caressing and supple and dolce, for example here, let yourself go, even abandon yourself, release, let go tensions physically. It's not a thought, it's an action. The more you release tension, the more you let go, the more you release with the body, and you will get a supple body, you will have and get a supple sound. Bing!